Welcome to Level 2 of the WPEZ Website Builder Training Center. I'm Paul Steinbrook, co-founder and CEO of OurChurch.com. Thanks for joining me. Last year we launched the WPEZ Training Center with 21 lessons grouped into 4 courses. Now at the time, we already had more than 100 video tutorials and help pages in our knowledge base. But what makes the WPEZ Training Center different are these 4 things. First, it includes only the most essential lessons, the things that we think every user of our WPEZ website builder has to know. Second, we organize them sequentially, so you know exactly where to start and you know exactly which lesson to do next after you complete a lesson. Third, the lessons include both a video tutorial and written instructions. So when you're implementing instructions, you can follow whichever way you prefer, video or written instructions. And fourth, and probably most important, we keep each lesson very short and we follow each lesson with an action step or 2 so that you can implement what you've just learned right away. And educational scientists have found that by doing immediately after learning, you retain more of what you've learned. Plus, you're making progress on your website quickly. Now, the feedback that we received on level 1 of the WPEZ Training Center was overwhelmingly positive. And since you're watching this video, that means you completed level 1 and you probably left us some feedback. So thank you very much for that. We appreciate it. Because of the feedback we received, we decided to create level 2. Now, level 2 is a little bit different than level 1 in that not every lesson is for every person. You may find some lessons in level 2 that are on features that you're not ready to put on your website or you don't want to put on your website at all. And so it's okay to skip over those lessons that you don't need. But we did continue with those main principles that I mentioned in level 1. First of all, that each lesson has both video and written instructions so that you can follow whichever one you prefer. And we continued to keep each lesson very short, followed by an action step. So you have better retention and more progress more quickly on your website. All right, ready to find out what's in level 2? Well, we've got 4 courses again in level 2. Course 5 is about news, newsletters, and calendars. Level 6 is all about online giving. Level 7 is about blogs and sermons. And level 8 is all about media, including video, audio, photo galleries, things like that. All right, well, when you take on level 2, just as with level 1, remember, you don't have to get it perfect, you just have to get it started. Don't let perfection prevent you from progress. All right, that's it for our introduction to level 2. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next lesson.